Thousands of Crimean Tatars held a march in Simferopol to mark the 70th anniversary of their deportation from the Black Sea Peninsula, defying a ban on public rallies by Crimea's new Russian-backed authorities. Large crowds gather each year in Crimea to commemorate the tragedy, when hundreds of thousands of Tatars were forcibly expelled to Central Asia, many of them dying along the way. Several thousand Crimean Tatars marched despite this year's ban, chanting slogans against Vladimir Putin as Russian military helicopters circled overhead. Mustafa Cemilev, a 70-year-old former dissident and human rights activist who has led Tatars in Crimea for decades, attended ceremonies in Kyiv. Border police earlier this month turned him away when he tried to cross back into Crimea.
At the moment, the square in Simferopol, where traditionally all the annual rallies took place with the participation of official leaders, and where the presidential statement was read out to the people, is surrounded by soldiers, riot police, and so-called self-defense groups. But nevertheless, Crimean Tatars are gathering together everywhere, and I've just received a phone call from Bakhchisarай, where there are twice as many people as last year. Helicopters are flying overhead trying to threaten them.
Tatars, who make up about 12% of Crimea's population, widely ignored a disputed referendum on the peninsula that led to its annexation by Russia, and many are still figuring out how to coexist with the new regime. Others have left.